Welcome to my channel. For the upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel. Usually in my channel, I produce videos on science and technology, abroad education, scholarships from different universities and different organizations, and job vacancies in different companies. In the present video, I would like to talk about remote work from home models now mainstream. As business plan their path to economic recovery, they now accept the adaptations as irreversible and systematic changes to the work environment. The year 2020 has been a year of remarkable transformative initiatives accelerated by infrastructure and network topology preparedness, ensuring seamless transition to secure remote environments. Dell Technologies has always been ready to meet the needs of its customers, and the numbers at the close of the year demonstrates the trust our customers repose in us. With a strong Q3 cash flow generation of $3 billion and non-GAAP revenue of $23.52 billion, reflecting a 3% of YoY increase. We have innovated and launched more than 22 products for enterprises and customers with continued high growth and profitability. The past months were marked with uncertainty, but there was a strong showing in the industry for digital technology adoption, necessitated by the need to serve customers and maintain business continuity. Dell Technologies Digital Transformation Index for 2020 revealed that 94.7% of Indian organizations have fast-tracked digital transformation programs this year, and digital adopters in India have grown from 33.5% in 2018 to 55.3% in 2020, driven by external challenges. Remote work and work from home models gained acceptance over the last decade in niche sectors and have now become mainstream across a host of industries. As businesses plan their path to economic recovery, they now accept the adaptations as irreversible and systemic changes to the work environment. The recent announcement by the government allowing IT employees to work from home or anywhere remotely within the country clearly recognizes this transformed climate. Greater autonomy, flexible working hours, better work-life balance, and higher productivity are key incentives to adopt remote work paradigms. Dell Technologies embarked upon a flexible work from home policy over a decade ago. Today we are one of the top 20 companies hiring remote workers, with nearly 60% of employees already working flexibly. Under a newly announced Connected Workplace 2.0 program, we are extending this facility across countries, enabling team members with the remote and hybrid schedules. Across organizations, we envisage a new virtual workplace enabling reach across geographies into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, leveraging the demographic dividend of the country in line with Dell's Progress Made Real 2030 goals. This would pave the way for a more inclusive, equitable and diverse workforce with a deeper social impact on human progress, upliftment and prosperity in 2021, emerging technologies such as data, hybrid cloud, edge computing, 5G, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence or machine learning will be the bedrock of reconstruction and economic growth. Multi-cloud environments combined with security of private clouds and compute power of public clouds will become increasingly common as businesses demand flexible scaling of processes. For the next 4 years, we envisage 800% growth in edge applications, delivering faster data processing at a low total cost of ownership. Automation and robotic process automation will enable us to delegate repetitive tasks to machines, clearing the path for humans to dive into more creative work. We will increasingly rely on artificial intelligence for faster, deeper, and more meaningful insights drawn from data. Data will span every aspect of the enterprise from business intelligence and marketing to manufacturing. By 2023, 52% of global GDP will be digital. As we advance from response to recovery, the lessons learned highlights the need for global cooperation and a human and empowered society that can be attained by deepening the reach of quality education, healthcare, and gainful employment. As a responsible technology company, Dell is deeply conscious of climate change and depletion of natural resources. Based on our 2020 legacy of good plan, we are driving green engineering, recycling, rural healthcare, and education. We have successfully completed more than 75% of our ambitious 2020 CSR targets ahead of time. The Dell Youth Learning Program aims to help underprivileged students develop life skills through training in computers, environment studies, and civics. The program reached 1.86 lakh youth directly and 1.26 lakh more youth and community members indirectly. The Dell Kaushal Kendra, a state-of-the-art computer lab, trains underprivileged youth on computer manufacturing, networking, and repair. We have partnered with the Niti Aayog to provide technology access to the underserved. Initiatives such as Tinker from Home, Student Entrepreneurship Program, She Codes Innovation Challenge, and the likes have impacted more than 6 lakh students and 27,000 teachers across India. As we approach 2021, Dell continues to drive innovation through advanced technologies to create new sources of competitive advantage for our partners, mapping the route towards greater productivity and business value. We will strive relentlessly for a more equitable world where dignity and economic prosperity is assured for all. The writer is President and Managing Director, Dell Technologies India. I hope this video is very helpful to you, and if you find this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and share among your friends. Thank you for watching my video. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. See you later in the next video.